Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Tube Light. With an agenda, don't be a tube light anymore. I was just sitting around and wondering regarding market recession and people getting jobless. So thought of making this video and share some views and platforms regarding jobs. So in this video, we'll basically focus on IT sector and I'm going to share some of the platforms and websites which can help you get international platforms for getting jobs in IT sector. So let's start, and this is our first platform, that's Turing. So as you can see at this platform, we have option of applying for jobs, for hiring developers and hiring a team. So it's your choice, but here as we are discussing regarding application of jobs, so we'll go for this option, right? So the very first thing that we need to start is we need to log in. You need to create your account. If you are already having an account, you can directly log in. Otherwise, you have to go for the second option, that is creating an account in the option of developer, because we are applying for an application job application, right? Okay, so I have logged in because I was having already an account. So I'll show you the screen that how it looks when you start. So here you can see the very first option, that is of basic information. So the first step was sign up, which we are already done with. Second step is basic info form. So in this basic info form, you'll fill on your details and then you'll go ahead, that is regarding your work experience. Take work experience survey, in which you'll mention regarding your details of your experience wherever you have worked on. In the next step, there is Turing assessment, and the first step here is that you'll have to clarify your quiz, pass your first quiz, right? After that, then you'll have to complete a tech stack test, which is obviously based on your choices. When you'll clarify these two, then you'll go for a coding challenge, which is a live coding test. Once you pass the assessment criteria, you'll shift to the next step, that is profile completion, in which you'll complete your profile for the Turing platform, and then you'll take an intro call, which can take place within 2 to 4 weeks. Then for the hiring process, you'll get shortlisted as per your match, and then you'll get hired. Hope I have clarified and it was understandable. I have kept it short and simple for your clarifications. Still, if you have any doubts or you face any kind of problem, you can ping me in the comment section anytime. Okay, so let's move on to our second platform, that is AngelList. Actually, it's now Wellfound. Formerly it was known as AngelList. Now it's renamed as Wellfound. So this is the another platform which is quite suitable and quite profitable in case of IT sector when you go for any jobs. So again, here the same thing, you need to log in or you need to set up any of your account. Okay, so again I was having my account, so I have logged in and you can see the screen. Here you will see recommended jobs, recently applied jobs, followed startups like options. But first we need to fill up profile details. Only then you can go ahead with the different options that you want. So in your profile, you can see the overview. You'll have the profile detail options where you will fill on your name, where you worked, your past experience, your social profiles, your companies, your skills, your achievements, identity options. So after filling all these things, you can update your resume here, your preferences and your culture options. When you will be done with all these things, you'll get to see the options. Here you'll get the title options and location options. So as per your choices, you can fill on the keywords and the list goes on. You can choose any of your suitable things, like here are the names of the companies and remote options, work from office options and pay scale. So you can save and apply whichever you prefer. Again, we have an applied section here. So if you apply for any sort of job, those will be listed here, right? Okay, so these were the two options the best found for the platforms, but obviously cracking an interview is again a daunting task. So let me suggest you two websites which you can use for your preparation for your interviews. The first one is CodeChef. Again, this site wants a sign up from your side for the learning purpose. As you can see, there are various options like learn, practice, compete, discuss. So this is the page for learning option as per your choice, like if you're a beginner or you are a novice, and whatever your language choice is, you can choose and open up and you can learn through the details. And for the practicing part, I'm sharing my screen. As you can see, you will see the various problems and you can go ahead with whatever type of questions you want to practice out for. I'll open one for your convenience. As you can see, I've gone for the first option. So you can see the screen. Here is an IDE on which you can practice out your code, right? I hope it's clear to you. Let's move to the next option. That's Geeks for Geeks. It's another website which is quite helpful in case of cracking interviews and learning regarding various languages and programming. So here again you can see there are various options like courses, tutorials, jobs, practice, contests. So let me take you to the tutorials part. You can see there are so many options. So regarding data structures, you can go for any of the options. Algorithms, you can go for any of the options. So whatever you want to learn or practice through, you can open it up and you'll be done. I hope I was clear to you all. Still, if you find any kind of problem or you want any detailed knowledge regarding any of the website or platforms that I've shared, you can ping me in the comment section and I'll surely help you. I'll surely focus and make a separate video on that. Hope you guys liked my video and it was helpful to you all. If you like it, do like, subscribe the channel for upcoming content.